We're going to be doing a drone inspection of the structures. It's a comprehensive inspection, and then we're going to be flying the drone and getting pictures, high-definition pictures of the structure. So this is a good example of what we get to see with the drones. They get us up on top of the structure, so we're able to actually get a good high-definition picture of the pole top. Good part of these pictures is you're able to zoom right in and see the fine details of all the hardware that's on these structures, and it gives us a good picture of what we need to replace and where we are with this structure. With the drone technology, this is also going to help us on storm response issues. We have many areas in the right-of-way that are totally inaccessible. The technology is advancing that is going to allow us to be able to use the drones when necessary to access these areas, to find out the issue, to get the system back on as quickly as possible. So this is definitely a great step in the right direction for customer reliability.